Welcome students, this is second video of chapter 16 triangle from RS and we are doing exercise 16A. Exercise 16A. First question is take three non-collinear points A, B and C on a page of your notebook. Three non-collinear points. Let's take three non-collinear points. These are three non-collinear points A, B and C. Join AB, BC and AC. What figure do you get? We get a triangle. We get a triangle. Next, name the side opposite to angle C. Here, first part, the side opposite to angle C. Here the angle C is here and the side opposite to angle C is AB. Write down AB. Put the symbol of line segment. Next is the angle opposite to the side BC. Angle opposite to the side BC. BC is this and the angle opposite to this is A. So angle A. Symbol of angle A. Then vertex opposite to the side CA. CA and the opposite vertex is B. This is B. Side opposite to the vertex B. Here the vertex B is here and side opposite to this is AC. Put the symbol. Vertex is dot. Put the symbol of side, angle, line segment. Without sign, answers are wrong. So this is your first question. Next, second. The measure of two angles of a triangle are 72 degree and 58 degree. Two angles are given 72 and 58. Find third angle. Two angles are, first write down given what we have given. Two angles are 72 degree and 58 degree. We let third angle equal to x. Okay, then x plus 72 degree plus 58 degree equal to 180 degree. Why? You have to write down reason. Angle sum property of triangle. Angle sum property of triangle is that the sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. This is angle sum property. So x plus, add this, 130 degree, 180, x plus 130. 130 add here. So if we change its sides, then it will subtract. 180 minus 130, 50 degree. X is 50 degree. And what is x? Third angle. So third angle is 50 degree. This is your answer. Okay. This is your second question. Then third question. The angle of a triangle are in ratio 1:3:5. Find the measure of each of the angles. Ratio is given. The given ratio is, first you write what is given. Given ratio 1:3:5. Let the measure of each angle one x, 1, 3x and 5x. 1x ratio इनके साथ x put कर दिया, 1x, 3x, 5x and remove the symbol of ratio. Now these three are angles, then their sum 1x plus 3x plus 5x must be equal to 180 degree. Reason, angle sum property of triangle. Okay. Add, all three are like term. So 9x equal to 180 degree. Here 9 and x are multiplying. If we change the side, then operation will be reverse. Multiply, change into divide. Divide it 20 degree. So x is 20 degree. Now the angles, find angle. First angle equal to 1x, 1 into 20, 20 degree. Second angle 3x, 3 into 20, 60 degree. Third angle 5x, 5 into 20, 100 degree. You can check by adding these three angles. Sum is 180 degree. So answer is right. Three angles are these. This is your third question. Third question. Next, fourth question. One of the acute angle of a right triangle is 50 degree. Find other acute angle. One angle is 50 degree and it is a right triangle angle. It means one angle must be 90 degree. So one angle 90 degree, 50 degree. Find third angle. Same as question number second. Since, write down, since triangle is right angle triangle, so one angle must be equal to 90 degree. Okay, right angle triangle hai, so one angle 90 degree and one acute angle is given 50 degree. Let other acute angle be, other acute angle हमने let कर लिया x. You can let it y, z, a, b, c, whatever, any alphabet. Then x plus 90 degree plus 50 degree equal to 180 degree. Angle sum, reason is angle sum property of triangle. This is compulsory to write down why this sum is 180 degree. Why? Angle sum property of triangle. Add 140, 180 degree, 180 plus change into minus 40 degree. And what is x? So other acute angle is 40 degree is the answer. This is your fourth question. Fifth question. One of the acute angle of a triangle is 100, not acute angle. One of the angle of a triangle is 110 degree and other two angles are equal. What is the measure of each equal angles? So first we let two equal angles are x and x, because these two are equal. So if one is x, then other will also be x. And one angle is given 110 degree. So angle sum property, first angle, second angle, and this one is your third angle, 180 degree. Reason, angle sum property of triangle. Add x plus x, 2x, 110 degree, 180 degree, 2x, 110, add here, then operation will be reverse, subtract 70 degree, and 2x equal to 70 degree. And now the single x, 2 is multiplier, so if we change the side, divide is 35 degree. So x is 35 degree. And what is x? Equal angles. So two equal angles are this is compulsory to write down last line 35 degree and 35 degree. Two times you have to write down. That's all for this video. Till 5 I have completed exercise 6A till question number 5. That's all. Stay home, stay safe.